A new day, hopefully a new fixing. A friend of mine brought me a bread machine, a bakery machine. I don't know how to call this. It's something for making bread anyway. You put some flavor in, salt and everything, and you have a dough, and then that one turns to bread finally. Okay, and he told me it's not working. I said, okay, it's not working, but what's happening? Is it any lights? Is it any noise? And he said, I don't know. My wife said it's not working. So I don't know anything about this. I just took it out from the bag. I never had one of these. We are not using this kind of machines at home. What I know about is that it have this propeller here that should make the dough, all that mixing for cooking bread. So far, this one should go out, I think. Oh yes. And this too. Let me see. It should go. Okay, yes. And we have a heater here. So maybe this one it's loose or lost. Maybe electronics. I don't know. So we have to put it into the mains to power it on and to see what's happening. Okay, so this is the mains here. Oh, something. Before anything, just let me measure the inputs, because I don't want to have surprises with a short or something. 2.2 kilo ohm. That's fine. Okay, so there is no short. That means the electronic, it's okay, I suppose. Power on and switch on. What? Okay, so I have a display here. It's looking like it's working. And power on. All right. There is a motor running, that's for sure. But I believe this one should move. What do you think about this? Do you believe this? Now it's working. For how long, I don't know. But anyway, we are here in this situation. So let's open it up and see what is happening. So this goes out. This goes out. And we have there a motor, obviously spinning that thing there. Okay, so what can we do for now is to turn it upside down. Do we have any screws here? No. We cannot take anything from the bottom. So that means everything is here on the top. So we should have a few screws here under this. Okay. The master of disaster is here. And by the way, it's disconnected from the mains. I learned my lesson a few days ago. Okay. Is there any screw in here? What kind of screw? That's the question. Let's see. That's it. Brute force. So what's here now? Okay, right. Pam pam. So the top is out and for here, right? The electronic, the command, it's okay. So everything should be like that. More screws can be used. Crazy. There's a lot of rust. Because we need to take a look. We need to reach the wheels. This is not exactly rusty, but it's full with flavor and ingredients, you know. So the screwdriver can't reach the button for a proper touch, you know. Okay, this is nice. We can take this out. Okay, maybe you should just stay like this for now. Those are some sensors probably for temperature control, but is that a screw? Yes, it is. Yes, we have a screw here with exactly the same problem. I can't take it off. Okay, this is free to go. Let's take that out. Okay, so we have the main connector here, which obviously goes out, and we have the ground connector. There we are. Huh. Yeah, I can see the problem very, very clear. This is a belt, and we need a new one. Because this one is broke. What we can do, maybe I just split it. Maybe I just split it in two. Maybe I lose just a half of this for now. maybe both. No way. Yeah, very clear. We need a new belt. So I think that's all for today. A new belt will be ordered, and until then it's nothing else to do. Thank you for now. I hope it's useful. See you soon with some other crazy stuffs, and of course don't forget, like, subscribe, and have some fun. Bye bye.